Mercedes-Benz Trucks recently loaned a 2653 prime mover to take part in the latest Burren hay run, which meant Truck Sales got to drive the rig from Benz HQ in Melbourne up to the Riverina. This 6x4 2653 is spec'd for B double work, so even with an all-up running weight of 42 tonnes, thanks to a load of concrete in the single trailer, it never broke a sweat. The 2653 model name denotes a 26-tonne GVM and a power rating of 530 horsepower. The straight 6 turbo diesel is Euro 6 compliant, achieved through a mixture of SCR, EGR and a DPF. Our test truck is fitted with Benz's premier L-Cab Stream Space cabin, which, with a flat floor and a generous ceiling height, offers plenty of room to move and a comfy inner spring bunk. The instruments wrap around the driver so everything's within easy reach, while the colours, finishes and textures add a real touch of class. It takes no time at all to feel comfortable behind the wheel. The OM471 engine delivers effortless grunt, and the latest PowerShift 3 AMT shifts more quickly and precisely than ever before. It's an intelligent unit with the smarts to pick the right gear for virtually any situation. As for the safety, there's lane departure warning, autonomous emergency braking, stability control and more, while the latest telematics package has been designed specifically for our market.
So here we are, just south of Wagga. We've done nearly 500 k's from when we set out today. We're going to go into Wagga now. We're going to drop this truck back to Hartwig's Trucks, where they're going to take the curtain cider off and swap it for a flat deck, and then next week one of their drivers is going to take part in the Burren hay run, help out some farmers in need. This next generation of Actros truck really is something special. Time will tell how they fare in the long run, but if the years of local development they've put into it, and judging by the first of the operator reports that are coming back, it looks like Mercedes-Benz really has begun a new chapter in this country. You can catch the full review of this Actros 2653 on trucksales.com.au.